Good morning again. Today we're working on our match practice. And for match, we are looking for row numbers here. So, in this case, I want the row number for apples. So I will go to make sure I'm on the formulas tab, look up in reference, and then match. Lookup value will be apples. Or you can just click on apples. The lookup array, in this case, it will just be the column that apples is in. So we'll just highlight the column that apples is in, beginning with the first entry, which is apples. And match type will either be 1, 0, or -1. So this will be 1. Why is it 1? I think 1 is for text, another one is for number, and another one, I don't know what -1 is for. So apples is text, so 1 probably means that it matches text. 0 probably means that it matches number. However, grapes is an exception. With grapes, it won't work unless you type 0 in. And also, the one for 980 will only work if you type 0 in. And I made note of that for you here. Good question, though, Eric.